Welcome to All-in-One World. Today, we're diving into one of the most magnificent wonders of our planet, the Amazon River. Stretching over 4,000 miles, it's not just a river, it's a lifeline to countless creatures and communities. Let's explore its wonders. The Amazon River is the second longest river in the world, flowing through South America and winding through Brazil, Peru, and several other countries. It's the largest by water volume, carrying more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Its basin is home to the Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, because it produces 20% of the world's oxygen. The Amazon River basin is a vast expanse of tropical rainforest, wetlands, and floodplains. It experiences seasonal flooding, which nourishes the soil and sustains life. The river itself provides a rich aquatic environment, while the surrounding forests host countless species of plants and animals. From giant water lilies to towering kapok trees, the flora is as diverse as it is breathtaking. Now let's talk about the fascinating creatures that call this river home. The Amazon is teeming with life, hosting over 2,000 species of fish, countless reptiles, and unique mammals. Piranhas, known for their sharp teeth and powerful jaws, piranhas have a fearsome reputation. These scavengers are actually more likely to feed on plants or dead animals than live prey. Amazon river dolphin. Also called the pink river dolphin, this enchanting creature is known for its intelligence and unique pinkish hue. They navigate murky waters using echolocation. Arapaima, one of the world's largest freshwater fish, Arapaima can grow up to 10 feet long and are air breathers, surfacing every 10 to 20 minutes. Caimans. These relatives of alligators are apex predators in the Amazon and are critical for maintaining the ecosystem balance. Anacondas. The Amazon is home to the green anaconda, the largest snake in the world by weight. They are non-venomous but rely on constriction to capture prey. Jaguar. These elusive big cats are expert swimmers and often hunt along the riverbanks. Capybara, the world's largest rodent, thrives here, often spotted lounging near the river's edge. Harpy eagle. With talons larger than a grizzly bear's claws, the harpy eagle rules the skies. The Amazon's animals are masters of survival. Let's take a closer look at their strategies. Camouflage. Many animals like the sloth and the leaf-tailed gecko blend seamlessly into their environment to avoid predators. Seasonal adaptations. During the rainy season, some fish like the tambaqui feed on fruits from submerged trees, while amphibians lay eggs in temporary pools. Specialized feeding electric eels use shock waves to hunt or defend themselves. Meanwhile, the herbivorous manatee grazes on aquatic plants. The Amazon River isn't just a haven for wildlife, it's vital to humans too. Millions of people depend on its waters for fishing, transportation, and agriculture. Indigenous tribes live in harmony with the river, preserving its delicate balance. Globally, the Amazon basin plays a crucial role in regulating our climate. From its mighty waters to its smallest creatures, the Amazon River is a symbol of life, resilience, and interconnectedness. Protecting this treasure is not just about conservation, it's about ensuring a future for our planet. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures into the wonders of God's creation.